guys, it's Claudette Build-A-Cross, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this pumpkin pie paint by line circle. First, I've gone in with the color terracotta for my pumpkin pie lettering and my pumpkin pie. And now I'm going in with the color putty to fill in my pie crust. And I think this sign would be super cute in your kitchen, hanging on the wall or above your stove. Be so cute. And I'm also using this putty color to fill in my sweeter lettering. And I'm using a number 4 round or a number 6 round. Either will work for all of this lettering. I'm now going in with a polka dot brush and doing some terracotta polka dots around. Then I'm going to flip over my sponge brush and use the end of it to add some polka dots with the color putty. And then I'm going to flip over my paintbrush and do some little tiny polka dots with the color chocolate. Following this, I'm going to go in with my number 4 round and begin to outline everything. And I'm just doing a real loose outline, hitting everything here and there, as well as the lettering. I'm also going to use this to go in and fill in the than letter or wording that's by my pumpkin pie. And then I'll just highlight my pumpkin pie with a little bit of cotton, and that'll complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.